Good morning, guys. In front of me is VIVO V23, and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first, open the settings, then select About Phone and mark Software Information. Now find and choose build number, tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and as you can see from now on, you are a developer. So let's go back. And now under System, you will be able to find developer options. Use them however you like. For example, if you want to show a refresh rate, just mark the indicator and that's it. Here you've got it. Then you can switch it off the same way. And whenever you want to turn developer panel off, unmark top switcher and it is no longer accessible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.